Nice!
Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this short tutorial I will show you how to play an emoji game on Instagram. It's a fun activity that you can play with your best friend or maybe a celebrity. You need the latest version of Instagram. I will get straight to the point. First open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Ensure that you are logged into your account and navigate to the direct message section by tapping on the message icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your chat list and you have to choose a specific chat with a friend or group where you like to play the emoji game with. I am inviting someone to play the emoji game with me, so I click on the paper and pen icon in the top right corner and then I search for an account, which is of course ETLY. Easy to learn yourself. And then you can start a chat. You have to send an emoji to start the game. You can send any emoji you like. Once you have sent the emoji, tap on the emoji within the chat and the game will begin. Instagram will track your score as you play. I think you are probably better than me, so be sure to leave your high score in the comment section below.